What's up, everybody? It's this guy.
Hi.
And this is Ethan Amunga.
No. What about this little guy?
What's your YouTube channel? This little guy is Ethan Amunga from Ethan Let's Plays. Today we'll be changing the air filter on
My mom's car.
on his mom's car, 2018 Rav4.
Do note that this video is applicable for 2013 all the way through 2018 Toyota Rav4s.
So the air filter you're going to need is going to be the SA10677. When you go to the store and you look in the book, there's going to be two different ones possibly listed. This is the one that you need. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we need to pop the hood. And down here is going to be your hood release. Just go ahead and pull that. Okay, lift up on the hood.
Mighty strength.
I think that's as high as it's going to go, okay?
Okay.
Now if you stick your hand in here,
Oh no.
there's a lever, and if you push it, it'll let you lift the hood more. You have to use two hands. Hand in, lift.
Got it.
So when you lift the hood, you got to hold it up, and then there's a rod that you're going to insert into this hole right here, and that's going to keep it up. So the air filter goes in here, okay? That's your air filter housing, okay? So here's how it works. Your engine sucks in air from outside, and it goes down this little tube here, and it goes in here, but to keep you from sucking like bugs and stuff into your engine, it goes through the filter, okay? And it cleans the air, so when the air goes into the engine, there's no guts in it, okay?
Yeah. What
So-
happens if there is guts?
It'll actually make the engine dirty and disgusting and make it run bad. And then not just that, if you take the filter out, it'll make your check engine light come on because your engine is supposed to have a filter. It's used to that resistance. Okay, here's how we're gonna do it. Hang on. So there's two clips. One's here and one's here, okay? That's what holds your housing shut. Okay, so
Yeah, I
go
know.
ahead and pull the first clip off with your finger. Okay, now pull the other one off. All right,
Open it up.
it's gonna open up. Go ahead and open that thing up. If you pull it like this, you can actually lift it even higher. See that?
Wow.
There's two little clips on the bottom. Okay, go ahead and pull out that old air filter. Not that.
How do you pull it out?
This one right here. Hope you get it started. Look. See that? Slide that thing out.
That's the filter?
Yep.
Ugh.
All right. So this filter's dirty. What we're gonna do is we're gonna check the new filter.
You want me to
Open it up.
Okay.
Slide that bad boy out of there. Okay, so put the new filters here, and this is the old filter, okay? So you want to make sure that they're the same.
Yeah, same.
They look the same. Let's flip it. Looks the same? Same size, right?
Yep.
So now we know we got the right filter, and that's because we don't want to throw away the old filter until we know we got the right one, right?
You need both hands.
Okay, I'm going to lift this up. You do however you need to.
How do you put it in?
Just like you have it, it's going to go face down. You see this lip right here?
Mm-hmm.
That lip's going to align here, okay? If you put it like this, it's backwards. So you're going to do it like this. Slide it in there. There it is.
Boom.
Okay. Now the other side I have to show you is going to be down here. So down here at the bottom, you see these little
yeah,
U-shaped?
U-shape.
They're like little hooks, okay? And there's little prongs. You see these on the bottom of the
Yeah.
these two prongs? Okay. Those prongs
Put them in.
you put them in. Exactly. Put them in. Okay, and then we're gonna close the case.
Case closed.
Hang on.
Just,
But it's gonna close. It's gonna close where it's kind of, this piece is kind of tucked in here. Look.
yeah.
You see that? That's how I know you got it. Okay. So now you're gonna push that clip back on. So go ahead and put that first clip back on. Okay. Now the trick is you're gonna push it. Well, you can push it here. It's even easier. Okay.
Yeah.
Do the other one.
Oh, the next one's hard.
Yep. Push it in the middle. Or the hard way. Look. If you push it here, it goes on even easier.
Oh.
All right.
It into the
All right. Clap, and then I'm gonna make you appear here. So clap. Transition effect. Okay. So that's it. We're done. And good luck. And it's not that hard, right?
Yeah.
It is hard?
No, it's not hard.
All right. Thanks for watching.